Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner again from Southview Elementary. Your word work activity today should be pretty fun for you. Mr. Spradlin has created a very neat game for us. On the top of your game board, there will be a spinner that you see up here. Looks like a beach ball. You're going to click the spinner and it's going to spin and decide whether you're going to be locating a homophone, a synonym, or an antonym. When you land on wherever it is you're going to do it, you're going to look down at your game board. You're going to find two words that are homophones, synonyms, or antonyms, whatever you landed on. You're going to take your finger and you're going to swipe on the box of the two words that you have found. Then you're going to click the spinner and spin again and repeat the process. You're going to keep doing this till you cannot cross off any more words on the game board. I hope you enjoy. Have fun.